In this video, I'll show you how to stabilize a clip using CapCut. So I've added a clip to the timeline and we'll play a few seconds of it. See, it's a little shaky, but we'll use the stabilizer effect to see if we can improve it. First, make sure you have the clip selected. You can click it in the player or on the timeline. Go to the upper right, click on video, and in the middle, click the checkbox for stabilize. You can see on top of the player box that it's analyzing the clip. This might take a minute or two, so I'll fast forward this video so we don't have to wait. Once it's complete, you can see it cropped into the video a little. You can go back to the stabilize effect and change it from recommended to more stable, but you'll get a bigger crop. You can set it to minimal cut, but you'll get less crop and less stabilization. I'm going to leave it on recommended and see what it looks like. So it looks like it added a little bit of stabilization. It looks okay, but remember, you get different results with different clips. If you want to learn how to stabilize video using the mobile version of CapCut, I have another video on that, so check it out.